Hey guys, it's Steffi here and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is a bit of a glamorous, fun look and it was really simple to do, and I'll show you how to do this one. And tune in right at the end guys, because I have a really great tip on how to clean your eyeshadow palettes. So let's jump straight into it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to start off with is we're going to start off with our primer. It doesn't matter which one you use, it doesn't matter if it's from the cheapest to the most expensive, they all really do the same sort of thing. I'm just going in with an tricks primer. This is an anti-blemish studio primer. It's quite a decent consistency. You can see it's a bit thick, which is good for covering over your face because you don't want it too runny. That's the trick with primers. You just want to make sure that whatever it is, you know, not too runny. And then you're literally just using your hands and you're spreading that all over your face. So make sure that you use your pinky fingers because they are the most softest to get under anywhere and they don't drag your skin out too much, and just cover your eyelids like so. What is the correct way to put foundation on? I don't think that there is a specific way, but what I would do is I'm going to show you two different ways of putting makeup on, aside from your hands. So I'm just literally pulling my hair back away from my face a little bit because we don't want the foundation to go like into hairs if they're like sticking down. Like if you've done your hair and it's nicely curled or straightened or whatever it may be, you don't want to get makeup into like the hairline or anything too much. So that's what I do first, is I just go ahead and just pull it back away from my face. The first side I'm going to do is just with a beauty blender. So this is just a cheapy beauty blender from Kmart. You can get various ones. I'll show you some different ones. I have a few to choose from. I've got one like this, which is just like a rounded kind of, looks like a little body, and it's got a flat edge as well to it. You've got just a full round body one like so, and then you've just got like this doofer like so. They come in many different shapes and sizes. You can get silicone ones, you can get these type of ones. These ones are just cheapies. I do notice though, like this one here is a little bit more of an expensive one, and the feeling of this is better than these because these are really stiff, where this isn't as stiff. With beauty blenders, you should be using them with water. So you've got water running, you squeeze it, you release it, and you take it out from the water so it's nice and moist, but not like soaked or anything like that. And then you would put the foundation onto here and then apply it. I'm just going to apply it dry because that is another option as well that you can do. Let me just go ahead and grab my lighting. Okay, now you guys can probably see me a little bit better. Sorry about that. This is one of the ways that I'm going to put foundation on. So grabbing this beauty blender, I'm just using any type of foundation. This is just an OXX Studio mattifying foundation. So I'm just going to go in with that one. Literally just putting what you would need on your face. I'm going to use one pump because that should hopefully cover most of my face on this one side. What I'm going to do now is just literally go and put it on. So how I like to apply foundation is just dotting it in the locations that you want it, like so, and then just patting it. Patting and spreading. So if I do it slow, you'll see that I kind of pat and like flick it. So when I'm doing it fast, this is what it looks like. Is that you'll see under my chin that I haven't got under there yet. So literally just kind of doing the same sort of actions. Bring it towards your ear as well. What I would recommend is don't put your earrings in before your foundation is on because you may get some on there. And literally just bring it down your neck a little bit and then just blending it out. So this is just a foundation brush, and all you want to do is you don't need to wet it, you don't need to do anything, but literally just go and apply the product to the brush like so. I've just applied one, and then you get to see how far or how not so far this product will go. So I'm literally just doing the same sort of thing, kind of blotting it to the locations that I need it to be. And now I'm literally just going to do brushing strokes, like if I'm painting a wall, all over my face. Now with brushing it, you can get like streaks. So you just want to make sure that you go ahead and just spread it out and blend it as you go. Okay, so now you've seen how I can use a beauty blender and the brush. So this is the brush side and this is the beauty blender side. You guys be the verdict on how you find the product, and how you find a product and how to apply it. So first I'm going to use is a W7 lip twister. This is just a liner, okay? and we're going to literally just go and line our lips. So I'm going to go a little bit over my lip line because we're trying to get that nice plump lush look. So we're just going to go just above it. So here's my lip line here. Okay, and we're just going to go a little bit above that, not too much. This is called Too Faced Lip Injection, and this is extreme. So these are one of the products that I would say is one of the great ones to really make your lips pouty. And so all I'm going to do is just get some of this product and then go and put this on my lips. And you hopefully will see. So an angled liner brush, and I'm going to go into an eyeshadow. I'm using the Morphe 39L Hit the Lights Artistry palette, and we're just going to go straight into a shade. This one is called Makeout Sesh because I do want to have that darker eyebrow today. So I'm literally going to go into there and then put this on my eyebrow. So to get an ideal eyebrow shape, you want to start by doing the underside of the eyebrow and then working out where you want the rest of your eyebrow to finish. I'm kind of going where my original eyebrow is. You can go and conceal that away and recreate your look. So now that I've done the underside, I'm just going to get whatever's left over and just put that towards the top half. And then I'm going to go and drag this out to the front section. So I do have a little bit of messy eyebrows at the moment, so I'm just going to go and conceal underneath it and above it to make it look more nicer. I'm just using the Flower Beauty concealer. This is just a really, really nice concealer, Light Illusion Full Coverage Concealer, and I'm going to go ahead and just put this underneath my eyebrow like so and above it. And then I'm just using an eyeshadow brush, this one here, to just blend this concealer out. Precision Shadow Brush by Sephora. I'm going to use this palette and just go ahead and do the eyeshadow. So this is called Magic Hour. So I'm literally going to go into there like so and pop this on my eyelids. And we're going to go outside of the actual eyelid region as well. Okay, so now we've gone and done that, we're going to get a little bit of a darker color. So I'm going to use this beautiful red color here. So this one is called Serve Looks, so we're going to just jump into that one and we're just going to add this into the crease line, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to use this beautiful purple shade here. So this one is called Feelin' It, and we're just going to grab that shade there and go into this region here, and we're going to go into the outer region as well. Okay, and then for the inside section we're going to go ahead and use this cute little color here. So this is called Euphoric. And we're going to just grab that one there, just put this on the inside section here. Also, I want to give you guys a really, really great hack, okay? So if you've got your makeup and it's got a bit of fallout and stuff like that on your palettes, all you have to do is just grab, for instance, a baby wipe, like what I've got here. Anything that's solid and flat lined, so this is just a highlighter. I'm literally going to cover this. Use the edging that doesn't have any paper going down it or anything like that, so whatever that may be, okay? And very, very gently, I mean very gently, go along your palette like so, and it should pick up all of that fallout, okay? But be very careful, okay, when you do it, that you don't press too hard, because depending on how far back those eyeshadows are, it can get into the other ones, okay? But it will definitely help, like it's a lot cleaner now, okay? So I hope you guys enjoy that tip.